Hey, I am Afsana. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create AI generated animation, create stunning animated videos with artificial intelligence. So let's get start the video. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for all aspiring animators out there. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a 3D animation movie using AI. Without any knowledge about 3D animation, you can create any video into 3D animation using this AI tool. So let's get started.
Part 1. Create account. To begin using this tool to video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a Deepmotion AI account. Click the Sign Up button to create a new Deepmotion AI account. Part 2. Create 3D character. After logging into Deepmotion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu.
Now click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar. Or you can skip and continue without photo option. Next, select an avatar model and click Next. You can customize skin colors, face shapes, and various face details like eyebrows, hair, nose, lips and eyes. Additionally, you can change the accessories, hairstyle, makeup, and outfit. Once everything is done, click the Next. You can register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue without sign up. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all the avatar information. Part 3. Generate 3D AI animation now. From the Deepmotion AI dashboard, go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video. In this example, I'm using a man running video, and trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button. Then, click the Save button. Go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. Uncheck the Include Original Video option and change the custom background to a solid green color. Set the camera mode to cinematic and enable or disable shadow and audio output as you want. After that, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using Deepmotion AI. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button, select MP4 format, and click Download to save. Part 4. Create animated background. Now let's create an animated background for our video using Canva. Go to the Canva dashboard and choose the Video menu. Then navigate to the Elements menu and search for animation. In the search bar, expand the video results and select your desired video animation. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Download your animated background video. Part 5. Editing. To combine the 3D video animation and animated background, use a video editor such as Wondershare Filmora. Import your animated background and 3D animation video, and put together all the video we have downloaded before. Export as a video. Then we are done. Here is your final video to 3D animation AI.
Hope you enjoy this video. More you practice, more you learn. If you want more AI video like this, don't forget to subscribe. Also share with your friends. Till then, be happy, have fun. Peace.